Back in 2011, Americans found themselves sitting in traffic for a whopping total of 5.5 billion hours. Meanwhile, in Sao Paulo, Brazil, rush hour traffic had the capacity to extend up to an unbelievable length of 309 kilometers. Interestingly, Sao Paulo later emerged as the city with the most helicopter taxis, albeit other more economical alternatives were available for time saving. Consider, for example, a unique device known as the RYNO, a monocycle that weighs in at 118 kilograms and can travel as far as 24 kilometers on a single charge. Furthermore, it can achieve speeds of up to 16 kilometers per hour. The creators of RYNO proudly regard it as the most effective self-operated electric vehicle ever produced. The operation of the RYNO is quite straightforward. To accelerate, simply lean forward. To brake, lean backward. It even features a parking brake for secure stationary positioning. This futuristic ride is available for $3,000, presenting a novel solution for tackling time-consuming commutes. Ungoverned drifter. The year 2020 marked the introduction of skateboarding in the Tokyo Summer Olympics. This thrilling sport further captivated audiences in the subsequent Olympic Games in Paris. It would be an exciting prospect to expand the participants' equipment options beyond traditional skateboards to incorporate more robust devices. For instance, consider this awe-inspiring creation from Australia, a 70-wheeled electric skateboard named Drifter. The first prototype came with a round half-wheel drive, with future plans aimed at providing all-wheel drive. This remarkable skateboard tipped the scales at approximately 19 kilograms. However, an even more thrilling variant is currently up for grabs on the creator's website, the Vendetta 2023, a track skateboard, priced at $6,500. The lucky owners of this beast can expect to enjoy a half-hour ride at a pace of 20 kilometers per hour, reaching top speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour, all while keeping track of their adventure on an LCD screen. Raam Easy Sport Small. The concept is quite simple, a bike designed for children and some adults, maintaining a balance between athleticism and comfort. The unique design focuses on minimizing stress on the back, neck, and wrists, ensuring a more enjoyable ride. The bicycle's suspension also contributes to a smooth journey. The bike can accommodate riders with a maximum height of 150 centimeters and a weight of 80 kilograms. It is an electric model, with a single charge providing an average coverage of around 59 kilometers. The inclusion of a pedal assist system and smartphone apps make it easy to get back in the saddle even after a significant hiatus. Moreover, the bicycle comes standard with a luggage rack, proving its practicality for everyday use. Weighing from 36 kilograms, the Raam Easy Sport Small is priced at $3,800, offering a balance between sportiness, comfort, and convenience. Segway Villain SX10. This buggy can be succinctly characterized as an adrenaline generator. Its performance is boosted by a switchable 2x4 or 4x4 drive, alongside a potent 105 horsepower engine. The adjustable suspension provides a generous 45 centimeters travel, complemented by a 2-ton winch, tow bar, electric power steering, and a fully digital dashboard. In the base model, a mobile application is included that enables customization of settings to cater to various terrains and driving styles. Safety is a priority, with a sturdy chrome-molybdenum steel frame offering protection. Comfort isn't sacrificed either, with an anatomically designed seat and sporty 3-point harnesses. Such an adrenal-inducing machine, boasting a top speed of 120 miles per hour, comes with a price tag in the region of $25,000. Quanta R. Imagine an ATV equipped with a 2.5-liter engine. Introducing the Quanta R, conceived in the spirit of the greatest racing thrillers. The rider has access to a methanol injection system and a range of engine power settings that span from 350 to 600 horsepower. Acceleration from a standstill to 100 km per hour is achievable in approximately 3 seconds, while the maximum speed reaches around 200 km per hour. Bandit9 Supermarine. A masterpiece of art and a marvel of engineering. The Bandit9 Supermarine hails from the ingenious minds of the Vietnamese team at Bandit9, offering a design of global acclaim and museum-grade quality. The bike's frame is constructed from 70 to 75 aluminum, a material commonly employed in the aerospace industry, underscoring its robustness and durability. The motorcycle's design draws inspiration from the fluid shapes of stingrays and the intricate patterns of coral reefs. The manufacturing process is meticulously precise, with tolerances measured down to micrometers. Potential owners have the choice between 2 engines, offering 74 and 103 horsepower respectively, enabling a top speed of up to 200 km per hour. This striking motorcycle, a blend of artistic vision and mechanical prowess, is priced at approximately $30,000. Sniejik Freeride. What happens when a snowmobile is merged with a motorcycle design? The result is an unparalleled piece of technology that doesn't have a commercial equivalent anywhere else in the world. You're looking at an electric model here. A single charge allows for a range of 10 to 15 kilometers. If that's not enough, it's possible to upgrade to a larger capacity battery with a convenient quick disconnect feature. The weight starts from 50 kilograms for the aluminum model and 65 kilograms for the steel variant. This vehicle also excels in portability, being easily disassembled for transportation. When in action, it delivers a thrilling top speed of 65 kilometers per hour. Among other perks, it runs quietly, emits no exhaust fumes, and can operate at temperatures as low as 20 degrees Celsius. The Sniejik Freeride comes with a price tag of approximately $4,150. RYSE RECON. In the United States, the average size of a farmer's land holding was calculated to be approximately 170 hectares, or the equivalent of 238 soccer fields. Imagine the effort it takes just to survey such a vast area. To assist farmers, cattle ranchers, and other proprietors of large plots of land, a local company introduces an innovative solution, a flying machine. This device can take off and land vertically on both land and water. It can reach speeds up to 101 kilometers per hour and offers a flight duration of 25 minutes. One of its most appealing aspects is that under US law, a pilot's license isn't required to operate it, meaning it's accessible to anyone. The creators envisioned that it will be particularly beneficial in search and rescue operations, cargo transport, and tourism. It's currently available for pre-orders, with deliveries expected by year's end. The price for this game-changing machine is around $150,000. Hypersports HRC-4. How much horsepower is enough for a snowmobile owner to feel the thrill? While the Yamaha Sidewinder offers more than 180, some crave more power, leading to the creation of unique, custom modifications. The Hypersports HRC-4 isn't just a double or triple improvement in horsepower. A test drive on grass indicated the machine could effortlessly reach speeds of 248 km per hour in merely 3.4 seconds, and that was without utilizing the engine's full capabilities. The snowmobile's engine can deliver staggering 1,026 horsepower at its peak. However, in the aforementioned test, it only utilized 786 horsepower. It's mind-boggling how the track can cope with such power. Running this beast is akin to the daredevil automobiles from the famous B Rally team known for their absurdly powerful vehicles. Carcle. Let's take a journey to Slovakia, where an innovative prototype of a plywood bicycle car has been crafted. As per the creator, this material was chosen for its environmental friendliness, affordability, and simplicity. Plus, any shape can be easily etched with a laser in a matter of seconds. The only challenge encountered was managing the weight to ensure smooth operation of the 76-kilogram vehicle. With a carrying capacity of 100 kilograms, its driving experience mirrors that of a regular car. This implies that the driver enjoys an enhanced view and higher visibility to other vehicles. Its 80-centimeter width significantly simplifies parking. The price point for this vehicle is projected to be roughly a third of its competitors. Unfortunately, the project's website is no longer accessible, leading to requests in the comments for the author to share the blueprints, especially if the project has been permanently discontinued. Mudok's Vengeance. In response to the demand for affordable yet rugged vehicles, the creators of this all-terrain machine have crafted a solution. This beast comes with an engine choice of either 31 or 40 horsepower, capable of speeds up to 40 km per hour on land and 5 km per hour on water. It can accommodate up to 6 individuals on land and 4 on water, with a carrying capacity of up to 816 kilograms. Add to this the benefits of 4-wheel drive, easy maintenance, and a winch, and it becomes apparent why it carries a starting price tag of $34,000. According to the developers, this vehicle is not just designed for hunters or farmers, but is also suited for governmental agencies, such as those involved in land resource management. A variant of this vehicle was even deployed to assist with flood relief efforts in California. VonMercier Arosa. Presenting the ambitious VonMercier Arosa project, with the first model set to reach customers this year. Only 18 units are left, so if you can spare $200,000, it would be wise to act fast. The main feature is its air cushion technology that allows you to transition smoothly from land to water, opening up new routes of travel. This amphibious vehicle's heart is electric, generating 240 horsepower, or 178 kW, based on your preference. After a charging time of approximately 1.5 to 3 hours, you can expect to cover a distance of up to 130 kilometers. The vehicle floats at an elevation of 15-20 centimeters, offering a unique ride experience. Thanks to the revolutionary hover drive TM technology, this model doesn't just move forward and backward but also sideways, adding a new dimension to your travels.